So let us solve some exercise questions. Exercise 8.1. I'll solve question number 3, 5, 9. Okay. Question number 3. 2x minus 3 to the power 6. So your A is 2x, your B is minus 3, your N is 6. The total number of terms is 6 plus 1. N plus 1, 7 terms. Okay. First, 2x minus 3 the whole power 6 is equal to NC0. Your N is 6. So 6C0 of 2x to the power 6 minus 0 times minus 3 to the power 0 plus 6C1 2x to the power 6 minus 1 minus 3 to the power 1 plus 6C2 2x to the power 6 minus 2 minus 3 to the power 2 plus 6C3 2x to the power 6 minus 3 minus 3 to the power 3 plus 6C4 2x to the power 6 minus 4 minus 3 to the power 4 plus 6C5 2x to the power 6 minus 5 minus 3 to the power 5 plus 6C6 2x to the power 6 minus 6 minus 3 to the power 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So, on the term it will become 1. I am not writing that. So, what is my 6C0? 1 times 2 to the x power 6. This becomes 1 plus 6C1 and 6. NC1 is always n with 2x to the power 5 times minus 3 plus 6C2 is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial 4 factorial. So 6 into 5 divided by 2, 15. Okay. 15 times 2x to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 2 and 9. Okay. Plus, what is 6C3? 6 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So it is 6 times 5 times 4 divided by 3 factorial and 3 into 2. So this gets cancelled. I have 5 times 4 which is 20. So 20 times 2x to the power 3 times minus 3 to the power 3 and minus 27. Okay. Now next term 6C4 is the same as 6C2. So 6C2 can be 15. So it is nothing but 15 times 2x to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 4 and 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Plus 6C5 is 6 times 2x times minus 3 to the power 5 and minus 243 plus 6C6 is nothing but 1 minus 3 to the 6 is plus 729. Okay. So if I simplify I have 2x to the power 6 which is 64x to the power 6 plus I have 6 times 3 times 2 to the power 5 and 32. So it is 18 times 32. So it is minus 576 x to the power 5 plus 15 times 9 times 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So it is 15 times 16 times 9 which is 2160 x to the power 4. Minus velila vandrum. So I have 20 times 8 times 27. 20 times 8 is 160. 160 times 27 4320 x cube plus 15 into 4 into 81 which is 4860 x square plus 6 times 2 times minus 243. So I'll have a minus. So enna varum 2916x plus 729. This is the answer. In the calculation part mattum dhaan konjam kashtam. The solving part is very easy. You just have to apply the formula, but be very careful when you are calculating the values because mark வந்து final values க்கு தான். இந்த steps கிடையாது. ஏனா இந்த steps எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் மொக்க. Okay, you know that. So it is very easy. மொக்கனா and it is very easy. This part is the difficult part, so don't make any mistakes in the sign, in the numbers. Okay, you know multiplication. So do it properly. Okay. The rest of the questions are very similar to all the other questions. So try to use the binomial theorem, binomial formula and solve all the questions. Be very careful when you are calculating. So now I'll go to question number 11. Question number 10 it is very similar to the example question. So question number 11, find a plus b to the power 4 minus a minus b to the power 4 and then find the value of root 3 plus root 2 to the power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power 4. So basically your a value is root 3, your b value is root 2. So either kandupidikkanum. What is your a plus b to the power 4? A plus b to the power 4 is, so it is 4c0 a to the power 4 b to the power 0 plus 4c1 a to the power 3 b to the power 1. The power of a reduces, the power of b increases, remember, plus 4c2 a square b square plus 4c3 ab cube plus 4c4 b to the power 4. Now what is a minus b the whole power 4? It is nothing but 4c0 a to the power 4 b to the 0 plus 4c1 a cube times minus b to the power 1. Correct? So it is minus b plus 4c2 a square b square minus b the whole square is b square plus 4c3 a minus b the whole cube, which will be minus b cube. We will write it in the next step. Plus 4c4 times b power 4. So enna kuduthirukku? Minus kuduthirukku. So I am just going to subtract everything. So inge minus, 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 minus. So what will I have? I have 4c0 a power 4, 4c0 a power 4. So this will get cancelled. I have minus b here. So minus into minus will become plus. So I have 4c1 a cube b plus 4c1 a cube b. So I have 4c1 a cube b plus 4c1 a cube b. Adukapram these two terms will get cancelled. Adukapram you have minus into minus plus. So I have 4c3 ab cube, 4c3 ab cube. So it will be plus 4c3 ab cube plus 4c3 ab cube. In the term it will get cancelled. So this is what I have in total. It is a plus b the whole power 4 minus a minus b the whole power 4. So what happens when I try to split all this? So I have 4c1 and nc1 is n. So it is 4 a cube b plus 4 a cube b. What is 4c3? 4c3 and 4c1 equal. Second term, second last term equal. So which is also 4 ab cube plus 4 ab cube. So what do I have? 8 a cube b plus 8 ab cube. Further simplify panna enna I can take 8 ab outside. So I'll have a square plus b square. So what is my a? Root 3. What is my b? Root 2. So I'm going to substitute the values. So I have 8 root 3 root 2 times root 3 square plus root 2 square. Root 3 the whole square is 3. Root 2 the whole square is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I have 8 into 5 into root 6, which is equal to 40 root 6. Okay. So this is my final answer. Question number 12 is also very similar to question number 11. So try doing it on your own. Question number 13. This is also very similar to the example question, but I'll do it for you. 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. Okay. So what do you do in such cases? 9 to the power n minus 1 I can write it as 1 plus 8 to the power n plus 1. So I can write this as n c0 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 0 8 to the power 0 plus n plus 1 c1 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 8 to the power 1 plus n plus 1 c2 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 8 to the power 2 and so on. N plus 1 cn 1 to the power n plus 1 minus n 8 to the power n plus last term n plus 1 c n plus 1, 1 to the power 0, 8 to the power n plus 1. So what do I have? nc0 is 1, 1 raised to any number is 1, 8 to the 0 is 1. So the first term is 1 plus n plus 1 c1. nc1 and n itself times 8 plus I leave the other terms just like that. So I have 8 square, 1 to the power anything is 1 times n plus 1 c2 plus and so on. I have n plus 1 cn to the times 8 to the n plus n plus 1 cn plus 1 8 to the power n plus 1. So what happens? 1 plus 8n plus 8 plus when I take 8 square outside I am left with n plus 1 c2 plus so on n plus 1 cn 8 to the n minus 2. 8 square வெளியில எடுத்தா I am left with 8 to n minus 2 plus n plus 1 cn plus 1. இதில் இருந்து square எடுத்தா n plus 1. Square எடுத்தா I will be left with n minus 1. So 8 to the n minus 1. So what do you see? This is 64 times some q. I'll call this q. So I have 9 to the power n plus 1, 8n plus 8 plus 9 plus 64 times some q. So this is nothing but 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 equals 64 q. So this is of the form dividend equals quotient into divisor plus remainder, where your dividend is 9n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9, where your quotient is q, where your dividend is 84. So there is no remainder. This is your whole dividend in this case. Okay, d equals q times d plus r, where r is 0. R is 0 na the given question is divisible by 64. Okay. Fourteenth question. Prove that sigma r equals 0 to n 3 to the r ncr equals 4 to the n. So 4 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I can write it as 1 plus 3 the whole power n. What do I know about the general form? A plus b the whole power n is sigma r equals 0 to n n c r a to the power n minus r b to the power r. So what is my b here? 3. What is my a? 1. So I can write this as sigma r equals 0 n 1 plus 3 the whole power n. So what is my n c r? A வந்து 1 to the power n minus r, b is 3 to the r. So what do I have? 1 to of anything is 1. So this is sigma r equals 0 to n ncr 3 to the r. So you just have to know that you have to write the given question in this form. In the mari edita you can use the binomial formula and prove. Okay. With exercise. So with this video we are done with exercise 8.1. Now அடுத்தடுத்த videos I am solving other exercise questions from this chapter. Do check it out. The link is given at the end of the video. Bye.